wikase kaunti ya Nyamira nene kumurikira engana yegenderete koreta liberera ase kaunti yo kuganya kumurusia biso mugavana we kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Kimomi Nyaribo asekeria kumochi wa namamocho yo botumeke obubebu ya bisi naboigo enibo ye kaunti ya Nyamira naboigo okogenda mamincha no kugania wekigambero nigo aba MCA kurwase county assembly ritkolya lero baba bagwika bagutwara ebikaro bya bene eriogo kwanera engane yo bakora wa nomo goseno monogeri bwe county assembly yo Enoch Okero abo baba goteba buna mpagenderete nemero bero yokoenekia buna omugavana Nyaribo obeire gakorwa abisi kanya nabo nigo aba MC abo bagenderete waka ekura yo kumurusia abisi omugavana bwe county ya Nyamira ekura boigo ebabwatanetie aba MCA batato abunonya nabo babete ba wakwa isko kubwatikana nekina yo kwamereria obochori bwabo asobochori obonene bw'umwakweta
of the County Government Act 2012 and Nyamira County Assembly Standing Order number 62. The motion is open for debate. Honourable members.
Mr. Speaker, Article 1A, B and C of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, Section 33 of the County Government Act 2012, and the Nyamira County Assembly Standing Order number 62, aware that Article 232, Part 2 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 prescribes the values and
Nyambo admitted here in front of a committee that she was promoted without a request. And Mr. Speaker, we can refer to the records of the answer, and this what was said here. That one said and done.
So if the governor gave a response which I've gone through now, Speaker, it is just additional information which is meant to guide the second, who is our leader.